Hi, Namaste, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show how to grow methi plant at home easily. If you are a beginner and wish to grow small plants, fenugreek is the best option to start with. It germinates very easily and quickly. So, there is no doubt that it will fail. Also, if it successfully grows, your interest and confidence to grow other plants increases. Now, let's see the process. Here, I am taking handful of fenugreek seeds. Soak them in water overnight. This helps to germinate the seeds easily. Our seeds are well soaked. Now, take the seeds and spread into the pot as shown. You can just spread them randomly. Here, I am not adding any manure or coco peat separately because I am sharing the space of other plant for growing the small methi plants. And I have added for it before. If you are preparing the potting mixture, just add little quantity of manure and coco peat if you have. Once you added the seeds, cover with mud. The layer shouldn't be thick, just slightly cover the seeds in such a way that even after you add water, the seeds should be covered with layer of mud. Just make sure that the mud which you are using to cover is not having any stones or is just fine in texture. Now add water gently. Don't forcefully add the water. Especially in the beginning, we just tend to add water forcefully, and what happens is the center area in which the seeds are added do not germinate. So just add water very gently with your hand as shown. Fenugreek seeds germinate very fastly, and within 3 to 5 days you see the plant coming out. I am showing the progress of the plant till it grows completely and to the point that it can be actually used for our cooking. After 28 days, it is well grown and ready to be harvested and can be used for our cooking. Let's collect the plant. Now we have handful of fenugreek leaves which we can use in our cooking. It's very easy, simple and satisfying to grow small plants in your home and use it in your cooking. I hope you like this video. If you do share with your friends and subscribe to our channel to encourage us to do more videos.